Do you have some condensed milk? Let's turn it into something incredibly yummy. This sweetened condensed milk recipe is so easy to make with just a few basic ingredients and tastes amazing. Let me show you how to make it. First, you need 4 eggs. Crack them open one by one into a large mixing bowl. Then, grab a whisk or fork and beat those eggs vigorously until they are well combined and the mixture looks a bit frothy. Next, take 1 cup or 3/4 of a standard can of sweetened condensed milk and add it to the egg mixture. Then give it a good mix till everything is well combined. Next, add a pinch of salt and half a teaspoon of baking soda and give everything another good mix. Now, take a sieve and sift in 4 cups or 500 grams of all-purpose flour into the mixture. Add the flour in 2 parts so that the flour gets mixed in evenly. Sifting helps make these condensed milk donut balls lighter and fluffier. So, start with about half of the flour. Gently fold it in, and then shift in the rest of the flour. Once you have added all the flour, I recommend using your hands to mix as the dough will get quite hard. Knead the dough gently until it comes together and forms a smooth ball. If it feels too dry, you can add a splash of milk to help bring it together. Once the dough is formed, cover it with a clean kitchen towel or plastic wrap and let it rest for about 10 minutes. This will allow the gluten to relax, making it easier to shape the donut balls later on. Now, take the dough out of the bowl and place it on a clean surface. Use a sharp knife or a dough cutter to cut it into even-sized strips, just like you see me doing in the video. Aim for strips that are about 1 inch wide. Once you have your strips, roll each one between your hands to form ropes, kind of like you are rolling Play-Doh. Then, cut the dough into small pieces around 1 inch long. This step ensures all your donut balls are the same size and cook evenly. Once they are all cut, give each piece a final roll between your palms to shape them into perfect little balls. Next, heat some oil in the pot until it is nice and hot. You will know it is ready for deep frying when the oil starts to bubble around the donut balls as soon as you drop them in. Carefully place the donut balls into the hot oil, ensuring not to overcrowd the pot. Deep fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until they are golden brown and crispy all over. Then, use a slotted spoon to remove them from the oil and transfer them to a plate. Enjoy your homemade condensed milk donut balls while they are warm and delightful. Sprinkle some powdered sugar for extra yumminess. They are crispy on the outside, soft inside, and perfectly sweet thanks to the condensed milk. If you like this sweetened condensed milk recipe, then check out also how to make this rich and creamy 2-ingredient condensed milk ice cream here. Check it out now!